Here's a list of accepted bank accounts for Amazon KDP payments. If you want to receive Amazon KDP payments without issues, you need to use a supported payment provider. Amazon accepts payouts through several approved banking partners, making it easier for creators in many countries to get paid. Some of the accepted providers include Payoneer, Airwallex, Aspire, and other approved financial institutions depending on your country and region. One of the most popular options is Wise because it's available in many countries and offers local receiving accounts in multiple currencies. Simply create a Wise account, complete the verification process, and use your eligible receiving account details when setting up your Amazon KDP payment method. Before choosing a provider, make sure it's supported in your country and that it offers the currency and receiving account type required by Amazon KDP. Availability can vary depending on your location. That's all for this video. Thanks.